Okay, first I will introduce myself. My name is Lintang Hilmi Mumtasurat with the last to the number is 097. So here I will explain our code for midterm exam the web programming course. So here our code for our web. First, I will explain the playlist card.jsx. Here we import the React from the React to use the JSX, and then we import edit, trash, external link, and the star icon from the Lucid React library, and then we import the genre icon from the constant icon, and then we define the playlist card to playlist on edit and on delete parameters, and then the define genre icon playlist genre, and if not appear, will appear the star icon. So first, return here the return style, the thumbnail. This if that any thumbnail will be appear here, and then if there any error will appear image SVG, and then if that there are no the thumbnail image will appear the genre icon, so in the center, that then the style will gray. And next, the overlay overlay hover, the style, and then the playlist external URL. So we this can input, the user can input the URL in this section, so this external link. So and then the button on edit, here the style of the button, and then button again on delete, and this the style. So after that, this the content will appear the genre icon and in playlist genre, and then this the code for the title, for the playlist, and then this the code for the description of the playlist. So this for the playlist card.jsx, and then we'll next in the playlist grid.jsx. First we import the React from the React, and then we import the icon, flash, CW, and music from Lucid React library, and we will import a playlist card from the playlist card file, and then we define the playlist grid, the loading playlist, filter playlist, active nav, on edit, and on delete. So here the function. So if loading is true, show a loading animation. Here the loading animation, and then this the function. If there are no playlists after filtering, will display the different message this message. There are no playlists at all, no result after filtering. So next, this function, if filter playlist exists display, then in a responsive grid layout. So we'll the render one play card component for each playlist. Then export the playlist grid, so this playlist can open in another file and use the other file. So next, they are in playlist grid. So next, in the sidebar.jsx, first we import again React from React to use the JSX, and then we import menu and the user icon for the Lucid React library. We import again nav item from the file constant. So before we code, we define the sidebar open, set sidebar open, active nav, and set active nav. Here the sidebar open will appear. This the style. This for the sidebar header. This the button to open and close the sidebar. So this the button dashboard, and then this the navigation bar, this the navigation map, and that is the icon, and then this the button for the navigation bar to open and close, and then this the code for to open the navigation bar. So this the code for user profile. This only the style without the action and action content. This the description for the user profile. So the last in app.jsx, first import the React from the React again to use the JSX, and then we import the playlist app from the components file, the components folder, and the playlist app, and then the function, the app function is the main component to rendering by React DOM, and then this component simply render the playlist app component. So last, to export the app component so it can be used in other file. So this for me, and then the next will be explained by our friends. And thank you for watching the explanation.